My rock pile got knocked down since last time. We had a lot of rain. We got flow. We got tons of flow. Sorry for the wind noise, it's getting really windy here. It goes from 30 to 40 mile an hour gusts to just beautiful all of a sudden. The place that I'm in is just like a huge valley. It's beautiful right now. Red. Here's the hole I'm digging, and then right here, this is standing deadwood, and there's a lot. You can see there's no top on it, but that is a dead tree. And with the winds, it's funny, you go out in the woods, I don't care if it's hiking, climbing, mountain biking, whatever, those winds, always be mindful. So you can see the color difference in the material. This is all from the same spot. That stuff's orangey, kind of reddish. This stuff's more brownish gray. So if you're new to prospecting and you've never set up a sluice box before, I just want to run you through a couple things real quick. So the way this is set up right now, this is a Keen A52 model. You can see the screws right here. Keen's very good at building all these things just exact. I like the water to be really about at the top of that screw coming down and the V-wake right here. I got enough volume and I got about 1 inch per foot for pitch. That's pretty standard. So this is about I'd say about a 3-inch drop over the whole length of the box. I like to run it here, get the V-wake in the middle. Other than that, just send your material. One other thing to mention real quick, this is 1/2 inch classified. That's the size that I've found is the best to run through this sluice. Also, when you're running your material, always make sure you got some water in the bucket. Don't ever run it without any water because it will just clump up and it won't really separate the way it should. So here's the gold from that clean out. And these are small pieces, probably about 30 mesh average. So I was getting better gold further upstream. So I think we're gonna move up a little bit. Got a little upgrade to the food kit. No more using the crevicing spoon, because that's gross. I think this thing was like $10 though. It's the most money I've ever spent on a spork thing. So looking upstream, you can see the shoulder right here, and then it just kind of goes this way and then widens back out. That shoulder though, you can see all the rocks that have dropped there during the floods. Somewhere along here though, I was getting good gold right over here. Up there it's just smaller. So I'm gonna clean out this area right here and work my way up. Okay, we got a little channel opened to clear out the material. We got a little further walk to the sluice box, but that's okay. So the digging here is tough, which is probably a good thing because there's a lot of big rocks here for a reason. I'm gonna go run this bucket and see if anything shows up in the indicator mat, just to see if I'm on gold here. All right, we got signs of life. The sun's starting to break through. Very happy. No matter where you live, what part of the world, you're gonna see this scenario. There's rocks here that I see in other places I find gold. So it's never a bad thing to go and just take a walk around these big push gravel bars and just see if there's rocks that look similar to other places you've dug and got gold. This one's pretty neat. It's perfect looking. Little diamond. So I almost didn't come here today because of the wind. We're supposed to get high winds to almost gale gusts coming in. And there is a lot of downed trees, so. Here's the last cleanup. So the gold got chunkier as I moved upstream. That one's got a lot of iron on it. That's a big rock. And that's a big rock. Wonder if a glacier moved these from very far away. We're gonna hike up this dried up feeder stream. I want to see if there's any bedrock exposed before I take off. So I just hiked up the feeder stream, did a full yard sale right around there. Everything in my bucket fell out. And now I'm up on the high side. It's slippery in there. I'm gonna get out of here. What the heck is this thing? Is it a bomb? Attention. No pass pressure code filter. Some kind of filter. I don't know. So here's the gold. And we're going to put these two pieces on white paper just to show you the color difference. Okay, from this side, that piece on the left, you can see the gold a little clearer, but it's very stained. That's not going to work. This company needs to have a quality control meeting. Shouldn't have to do that. That'll do it.